In this video, you'll learn how to make the voiceover sound sad using ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you will be able to create a more emotional and impactful voiceover for your projects. Begin by navigating to the ElevenLabs website. Once you are on the home page, look for the option to log in, enter your credentials in the provided fields, and click on the login button to access your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. After successfully logging in, locate the text-to-speech option in the main menu. Click on it to enter the text-to-speech interface. This screen will display various settings and features that you can use to customize your voiceover. Next, focus on selecting the right voice. Choose a voice that sounds soft and calm. It is essential to avoid voices labeled as energetic or those that have an advertisement tone, as these will not convey the sadness you aim to achieve. Now, adjust the settings to ensure the voice reflects the desired emotional tone. Set the stability between 35 and 50, as lower stability will allow for more emotion in the delivery. For similarity, aim for a range between 70 and 80 to maintain a natural sound. Adjust the style exaggeration to a value between 5 and 15, where a lower style will create a gentle sadness without veering into dramatic territory. Next, focus on writing your text in a way that enhances the sad tone. Utilize short sentences to convey emotion effectively. Incorporate pauses and ellipses to create a sense of longing or reflection. For example, you might write, "I thought things would be different, but they never changed." This style encourages a more intimate and emotional delivery. Incorporate line breaks throughout your text. Line breaks create pauses that contribute to the feeling of sadness. Avoid writing long paragraphs. Instead, use short broken lines to enhance the emotional impact. This formatting will help the voiceover sound more heartfelt. Once you have prepared your text, click the Generate button to create your voiceover. After processing, listen to the output. If it does not sound sad enough, consider lowering the stability setting a bit more or adding additional pauses with ellipses. If the output feels too dramatic, reduce the style exaggeration to achieve a more subtle emotional tone. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.